Shalom, shalom. Welcome back to the channel, BBL fam. Hope everybody had a great weekend and is washing their damn hands. Today, I want to show you how to make a high protein, low calorie latte. And it's so incredibly simple. All you really need is 2 ingredients and a blender bottle. You can use any protein powder of your choice. But recently I stumbled upon these Quest protein shakes. They're already ready to drink and it's delicious. Under 200 calories, low fat, low carb, and high protein, 30 grams of protein per. And then you can use any iced coffee of your choice. I just got this Khalifa cold brew. I really like the consistency of it. Blender bottle. Shake this thing up. Just dump the whole thing in. Which is a lot of liquid, and then you just fill the rest up pretty much to the top with the iced coffee. Close the lid. Make sure it's closed because it will make a mess. Shake the thing up. Look at that. So damn good. You got to try this out. Like I said, you don't have to use these, but these things just alone are absolutely incredible and pretty filling as well. So if you're trying to lose weight, this is an excellent, convenient way to do so. And like I said, any iced coffee will do. I just have this Khalifa Farms because it tastes really good. I like the consistency of it. Shake it up and you have a delicious treat. It's just too hot to have hot coffee. As much as I love coffee, iced coffee is my thing in the summer. So try this out. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Like, comment, and subscribe. Tap the notification bell for future posts. Until next time, stay cool and live your very best lifestyle.